What are your fundamental or basic rights? Now, the Constitution contains important provisions. Some protect your personal rights. What are those rights? The first is in Article 5. This article is entitled Individual Freedom. It states that a person shall not be deprived of his life or personal liberty except in accordance with the law. Now, if a person is punished for a minor crime, the punishment must be proportionate to the crime he has committed. Now, that's called proportionate punishment. For example, a man cannot have his hands cut off because he has stolen money, whether it is a small or a large sum of money. Punishment should be limited to imprisonment or fine in accordance with criminal law. Now, Article 5 also speaks of the right to life. Many courts, both here and in other parts of the Commonwealth, have interpreted the phrase right to life as a person's right to livelihood or dignity. Now, right to life, we said, was equal to the right to livelihood. What does that mean? It's your right to work peacefully and comfortably in your place of work, and your salary must be acceptable to the law. Or you could choose to carry on an income-generating business. No one can take that right away from you. Article 8, on the other hand, is concerned with equality. It says that all are equal before the law and all are entitled to equal protection under the law. What this means is the law should protect everyone equally. Every accused person who's been accused of a crime must be treated in the same way. If a person is born in Penang, for example, no one can stop him from working in Kuala Lumpur. A person born in Sabah is allowed to work in Kuala Lumpur. He cannot and should not be prevented from buying, owning, or selling land, starting a business, or having a career on the grounds that he belongs to a particular region, religion, or race, or is from any particular state. For example, when your electricity bill, or as you call it, Tenaga National Bill, is sent to you, it doesn't matter what race you are. You pay your bill according to how much electricity you have used. Now, Article 9, on the other hand, is about freedom of movement. According to this right, you can travel freely from any state within Malaysia. And when you pick up your car and leave Klang to visit relatives in Ipoh, no one can stop you at the border of Selangor. However, if you have broken some criminal law, the police may detain you from moving about freely. Article 10, on the other hand, is about freedom of speech, assembly, and association. Article 10 states that anyone can form or participate in any association or a party. You can join any particular society, political party, or other organization. However, Parliament has the right to control it. For example, Parliament can make laws criminalizing membership into criminal gangs. You can speak freely, subject to certain limitations that might disrupt racial or religious harmony. Now, the freedom of religion in Article 11 states that everyone has the right to practice his or her religion. Every religion has the right to manage its own religious affairs. Neither Parliament nor the government can stop a person from peacefully practicing his right to religion. Now, the right to education. There shall be no discrimination of any kind towards any child on the basis of religion or race in education. Government-aided public education centers or schools shall not be prevented from teaching students in any school, and access to education is usually provided free of charge. Finally, Article 13 protects your property rights. The Constitution states that no one can take away your land, your property, or belongings away from you without your permission. I've given you a small glimpse of how the Federal Constitution protects your rights. I hope this has made it clear. Goodbye.